Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Ibu dan Bapak yang berbahagia, selamat bertemu kembali dengan saya, Bowo Irianto, Widyaswara BPSDM Provinsi DKI Jakarta. Semoga tetap bersemangat dan senantiasa sehat. Pada kesempatan kali ini, kita akan membahas mata pelatihan kepemimpinan transformasional, pelatihan kepemimpinan administrator dengan materi pokok 3, refleksi dan simulasi kepemimpinan transformasional dengan submateri pertama, refleksi diri kepemimpinan Anda. Kedua, peranan pemimpin transformasional dalam menggerakkan inovasi dalam organisasi. Yang ketiga, penerapan gaya kepemimpinan transformasional. Dan yang keempat, simulasi coaching dan mentoring dalam menghasilkan kinerja tinggi. Indikator keberhasilan dari pembelajaran materi pokok 3 ini adalah bahwa setelah mengikuti pembahasan materi ini, Anda diharapkan mampu melakukan simulasi kepemimpinan transformasional melalui coaching dan mentoring. Nah, Ibu dan Bapak yang masih bertahan, tiba waktunya kita sampai pada pembahasan terakhir, yaitu submateri 4, simulasi coaching dan mentoring dalam menghasilkan kinerja tinggi. Pada sesi ini, Ibu dan Bapak dapat melakukan simulasi secara mandiri atau mengembangkan kompetensi Anda dengan mengunduh contoh coaching dan mentoring yang cukup banyak tersedia di dunia maya. Yang pertama, simulasi coaching. Mari kita cermati video tentang proses coaching yang diunduh dari YouTube.
Hey Brandon, how's it going?
I mean, this week's been a little challenging. I'm having a hard time right now, actually. I have this need to be a resource to people, and so I end up saying yes to everything that comes my way. And I don't know if I'm going to finish everything on time, and it's becoming a time management issue.
Yeah. So, what's your goal or desired outcome?
My desired outcome really would be to be able to say yes, but, or yes and, maybe we can extend the deadline. Ultimately, I still want people to come to me, and I'm fearful that if I say no to somebody, they're going to stop coming to me as a resource.
So what's happening currently? What are you doing currently?
The current situation, I'm spread too thin, and I'm starting to be resentful.
So what are maybe some options or strategies or things you might test out or try to help you get from where you are at right now, your current state, to your goal or desired outcome?
I think ideally, if I had somebody to delegate to, I would say yes, and then figure out if it makes sense that I'm doing it, and then push down. Otherwise, then it's saying yes, and how about in 6 weeks I can deliver this to you, or realistic couple weeks, versus yeah, I'll give that back to you in a couple of days. Like that's just unrealistic because everything is going to pile up on each other. So,
what's your level of confidence in implementing at least one of those things right away?
Do you think it would be weird if I went back to some of the people I agreed to and said, hey, as I look at this more, could I extend the deadline to 2 weeks from now?
I think it's something to try, test out, and see how it works for you.
Yeah, I think that's something I can implement right away.
Dalam sesi ini, dilakukan penerapan simulasi coaching menggunakan salah satu teknik coaching, misalnya teknik GROW, dengan memperhatikan hal yang perlu diterapkan dalam coaching, seperti goal, reality, options, dan will, dengan mempertimbangkan alasan serta cara melakukannya. Dalam penerapan teknik ini, ingat bahwa coaching adalah sebuah cara pengembangan kompetensi sumber daya aparatur sipil negara melalui proses dialog yang memberdayakan antara seorang coach dengan coachee-nya dengan memberikan keleluasaan pada coachee untuk dapat mengidentifikasi berbagai permasalahan dihadapinya, menemukan berbagai solusi alternatif yang dapat dilakukannya sendiri, dan melengkapi dirinya dengan strategi yang paling efektif untuk melaksanakan dan mencapai solusi-solusi tersebut. Dalam simulasi ini, hendaknya lakukan hal-hal berikut. Pertama, pilihlah pasangan. Tentukan siapakah yang akan berperan sebagai coach dan siapakah yang akan berperan sebagai coachee, dan lakukan ganti peran. Kedua, lakukan simulasi kegiatan coaching dengan menggunakan teknik GROW, sesuai dengan tahapan-tahapan pelaksanaan coaching. Ketiga, lakukan feedback terhadap kegiatan coaching. Keempat, lakukan pertukaran peran. Kemudian, gali lesson learned dari kegiatan coaching beserta pasangan. Dan yang kedua, simulasi mentoring. Kita simak video tentang mentoring berikut yang diambil dari YouTube.
So, your goal then is to set your alarm for 8 o'clock, yeah?
Yeah.
Set your alarm for 8 o'clock, get up straight away, leave the house at 8:30, and get into school on time.
Yeah.
Very good indeed. Now, how are you going to remember to do that, all that? Because there's a lot of things there, isn't there? How are you going to remember to do all of those?
Well, I'll just set my alarm this evening.
Okay.
And then, like, when I get up tomorrow, I'll just get up, and then the other stuff will kind of be easy. Like, once I'm up, then I'll be able to get ready and be out at 8:30.
Okay.
So it's just trying to.
So you're going to set the alarm this evening. How are you going to remember, though, to set the alarm this evening? Because it's quite a new thing for you to do, isn't it? So
Yeah.
just wondering how.
I'll ask my mum.
Ah, good idea. And would that be, would she be there to help you with that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
very
she
good.
sounds at home.
Okay. Actually, and what would you say to her when you're asking her? How would you say it to her? Actually,
I'll
tell you
just
what,
say.
I'll be your mum. I'll just pretend to be your mother.
Oh,
And
okay.
you say to me as if you're speaking to your mum.
Okay.
Okay?
Mum, can you remind me to set my alarm tonight because I want to get to school early tomorrow or get to school on time tomorrow?
Really? Okay. well,
Yeah.
Okay. That's very good.
Yeah.
Very clear, isn't it? Very, very clear.
Yeah. I think.
Okay, one other thing I'm just thinking there is, this is very important to you, isn't it? To get into school, you're saying.
Yeah.
Get into school in time. No, to get into school, first of all, you're saying, but also you want to get in time. How could you let your mother know how important it is to you so that she knows that? What could you say to her? Say it to me again, like as if I'm her. What else could you say?
So I could say, Mum, you know the way I get to school, like I'm always in school on Tuesdays and Wednesdays because you work those days.
Yeah.
But the other days it's kind of hard for me to get to school on time sometimes because I don't really ever set my alarm and it's hard for me to remember.
Okay.
So would you maybe be able to remind me tonight to set my alarm before I go to school, like 4 in the morning, just set it for 8 o'clock?
Certainly, my dear. Oh, I'm sure she doesn't speak like that. But okay, no, that's very good. Very good. So she knows then that you really want to get into school on those other days as well, and it's very helpful when she calls you. When
Yeah.
she helps you in the morning.
Yeah.
So, but you want to set the alarm. Very good. That's good. Okay, well look, let's add in then to your goal for the week.
Okay.
Add in set the alarm for 8 o'clock. But put in before that, I'll ask my mother to remind me when to set the alarm for 8 o'clock when I'm going to bed. Is that
Yeah.
clear enough?
Yeah, I think so.
Going to bed. Very good. So ask mother to remind me to set the alarm for 8 o'clock when I'm going to bed. And that bit that set the alarm for 8 o'clock, don't need that. So then I'll get up when the alarm, get up straight away when the alarm goes off, leave the house at 8:30 to be in the school on time.
Yeah.
Wow, that's very good. Excellent. Great. Lovely.
Okay.
Well done. Thank you very much indeed. That's really very, very good. Now,
Menurut Steven Spielberg, mentoring adalah suatu hubungan profesional di mana orang yang berpengalaman atau mentor membantu yang lain atau mentee dalam mengembangkan keterampilan dan pengetahuan khusus yang akan meningkatkan pertumbuhan pribadi dan pribadi orang yang kurang berpengalaman. Oleh karena itu, dalam simulasi ini, Anda akan berperan sebagai mentor, namun kadang Anda juga memerankan diri sebagai mentee. Adapun hal-hal yang Anda lakukan dalam kegiatan mentoring ini diantaranya adalah sebagai berikut. Pertama, mengajar mentee tentang masalah tertentu. Kedua, melatih mentee pada keterampilan tertentu. Yang ketiga, memfasilitasi pertumbuhan mentoring dengan berbagi sumber daya. Berikutnya, memberikan tantangan mentee untuk bergerak melampaui zona nyamannya. Dan yang kelima, menciptakan lingkungan belajar yang aman untuk mengambil risiko. Aturan main dalam simulasi mentoring ini adalah pilih pasangan Anda untuk kegiatan simulasi mentoring ini. Berikutnya, persiapkan sarana-prasarana dalam pelaksanaan mentoring sesuai dengan tujuan dan metode mentoring. Berikutnya, lakukan kegiatan mentoring. Selanjutnya, catat kegiatan pelaksanaan mentoring dalam tabel atau buku mentoring yang telah ditentukan. Yang kelima, lakukan evaluasi terhadap kegiatan mentoring dan lakukan kegiatan tindak lanjut. Ibu dan Bapak sekalian, demikian telah kita bahas bersama secara rinci mata pelatihan kepemimpinan transformasional, pelatihan kepemimpinan administrator pada materi pokok 3, refleksi dan simulasi kepemimpinan transformasional, dengan submateri, refleksi diri kepemimpinan Anda, peranan pemimpin transformasional dalam menggerakkan inovasi dalam organisasi, penerapan gaya kepemimpinan transformasional, dan simulasi coaching dan mentoring dalam menghasilkan kinerja tinggi. Dengan demikian, telah kita bahas secara tuntas seluruh isi modul mata pelatihan kepemimpinan transformasional, pelatihan kepemimpinan administrator. Semoga bermanfaat dan semakin meningkatkan pemahaman tentang kepemimpinan transformasional, khususnya refleksi dan simulasi kepemimpinan transformasional. Untuk menggali pengetahuan secara rinci dan lebih mendalam, silahkan Ibu dan Bapak pelajari dengan lebih seksama modul kepemimpinan transformasional, pelatihan kepemimpinan administrator. Terima kasih. Kurangannya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.